Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show an interesting thing which you can try at your home. So this is Etsy. So in this website, you will see various photos like this. You see this photo of a dog. This is known as a spiral. In that one, if you look at this, the entire spiral, there is a gradual increase in tone in certain places which will create the entire photo. So the photo starts from here, it goes as a spiral, so it goes spiraling till the very end, and if you go zoom in, you can see the spiral creates that final image. So you see this various images that people have created, and they are selling it for around 2000 rupees and all. So now you see there are other images also that I can see where people have created such images. You see this is another image I can see. So people are making sales. See this 79 sales by selling something of like this. So I will show you how you can also make something like this, and you can sell it if you want, and if you want to create some artwork out of it, you can do that too. I will show you all those things. So for this, you need to come to this website. It's known as spiralbetty.com. So it is free to use. Here it's very easy to do that. So here you can come and upload the image. So I am uploading this image. This is an hypothetical image. This is an AI generated image. This is not an actual person. So I have uploaded it. The moment I upload it, you can see it has created a spiral Betty. So this is something which you can color in. Okay. So here, if you look at, you can increase the rings or decrease the rings. So if you increase the rings, you can get this. You see this, how it looks like. You can increase the scale of the rings. Then you can increase the lightness. You can make it light, or you could make it darker. You can increase the contrast. See, you can make it like this. So now let me show you one more interesting functionality. So let me upload back the image again. Now you can take the printout of this and color it, which will be a great thing for you to do or for your kids to do. So you can just click on color in and just a clear background and just download it. So you will see something like this. Can you see? This is a clear image. Here you can start with a ballpoint pen. You can start moving across this line by line. You can cover that entire thing, and here when you reach in these locations, you can make it thicker. At the end, it will generate the photo of yours in spiral Betty mode. So now if you don't want like that, you want to download the other way, you can click on download and you can download it. So this is the background border it is adding. So now you see this, you can, if you want to make it square, you can do that too, or if you want to keep it circle, you can keep that too. And this is not the only thing you can do. You can do that in lines. With lines you can experiment, or you could do that with dots. With dots also you can experiment, but spiral is far more better. Now if I want to change the dots, you can make it at hearts. You see this heart. If I want to make a triangle, I can do all those things. You see this mixture of all those things. Now if I want to bring it back the old one, I can do that here. So this is how you create a spiral Betty, which you can create as an artwork. You can exhibit it as an artwork and create it in your home. People will think that you have created it on your own. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much, and subscribe for more such interesting videos.